you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Style Survival Guide. My name is Aaron. That is Jeremy. 30 days, you're going to upgrade your style. We're going to show you how to do it. Today we're talking flare. Flare it up. How many pieces of flare do you want?
30, you only wear 37 pieces of flares to make it the rule. To wear 37 pieces of flares.
I knew you were going to go there.
Why are you not going to the flare? 37 pieces.
I know. So what we're talking about is adding a little pizzazz to your outfit, right? So if you're wearing denim and a sport coat, throw a little lapel pin. And mine happens to say bucket.
Yeah, it does, folks. Bucket.
Okay.
It is, but that's a, you know, I mean, hey, we're an adult channel.
It's a conversation starter. Like, seriously, when we're in Chicago, everyone's like, you should pitch it. Oh, okay, all right, cool.
Yeah,
I like it.
And you know, I mean, that's the thing, but it really switches it up. And I mean, I would hate for you to actually have to physically count the number of lapel pins you have currently. But we're gonna say we're just gonna rough it around 100.
Probably.
Or more. Plus or minus 100. You know?
Probably.
The fact of the matter is that you can get very expensive ones, like really ridiculously, like gold, diamond, crazy. But you can also get some inexpensive ones, right?
Yeah, I like the inappropriate ones the most.
Sure.
The enamel, inappropriate lapel pins.
Today, they're fun.
We've got a couple of examples here. If you guys can see this one.
Here's one. We got like a little thing here. Witches do it better. That's funny.
I've got this one's my happy pill.
Oh, I didn't get it. It wasn't clever enough. I thought it was like a nurse. Like I love her nurses. What's this one here?
It's like like Rolling Stones lip.
The Rolling Stones lip.
Yeah, a little dino one. So just add a little flair to your outfit. I like a little bit of pop of color.
A little lightning around the.
Yeah.
You folks seeing this stuff? This is great. But I mean, these are fun, right?
Yeah.
I mean, again, so we kind of talked about this. I mean, wait a minute. Holy cow. Is this a pineapple one? I mean, what happens if you turn it upside down?
This is a pineapple.
Everyone
starts talking to you.
That's right.
They come out of the woodwork.
You get folks talking to you like crazy, you put the pineapple on. But in all seriousness.
It's like pineapple, okay?
Yeah, I like pineapple. It's a good fruit. Hydrating.
It has nothing to do with the other thing.
It's hydrating, folks, yeah. Anyways, simple upgrade. Add a little flair to your outfit. And it expresses your personality. We talked about the socks before in a previous episode. Yep. Sometimes you just need to have something that's yours, that you can own, and, feel good about it.
Right.
It's a secret feel.
It's cheap. It's easy. It's quick. You just put a little thing on there. People notice it. And it's just...
If you're an introvert, it's a great way to get people to talk to you. You put fucking on your thing and everybody wants to talk to you.
Or you put one that says fuck off and then people leave you alone.
They don't talk to you at all.
It's up to you.
Wherever you want to go with it.
That's all we got. Thank you guys for joining us for another episode of Style Survival Guide. Join us tomorrow for another essential style tip.